Bixby Jet. Bixby, a small innovation company from the USA, is presenting Bixby Jet, an electric, portable, handheld module water propulsion device. It can help divers move faster underwater, as well as be mounted on a surfboard, small yacht, boat, or anything of the sort. Without the power unit, Bixby Jet is just about the size of a 1-litre water bottle and weighs as little as 900 grams. Various accumulators and mounting devices are included in the kit, providing a wide range of use opportunities. The device can be used with all sorts of small watercraft as a strap-on engine, and commanded from an aluminium joystick or a remote control with a joystick. 10 forward speeds and 3 rear speeds are available. The maximum speed of a motorized kayak in still water is about 6.8 miles per hour. The maximum duration of a trip depends on the speed and is normally between 2 and 6 hours. The maximum distance varies between 10 and 15 miles. Autonomous work is provided by a 450 watt-hour accumulator that takes about 4 hours to get fully charged. The engine is also equipped with a port for smartphone charging. Another available Bixby option is a swim-jet module that allows a diver to get as deep as 88 feet and stay there for 45 to 120 minutes. It has 2 speeds, a powerful 900 lumen flashlight, and a place for mounting an action camera. Price varies greatly according to the model and accessories, but on average is about $1,000. Smart Halo. If you ride a bicycle often or even use it as your main means of transport, you probably already know the pain of using a mobile navigator while riding. There are different bike mounts that allow you to use your smartphone as a GPS navigator, but there's always a risk for the phone to slip out, fall and get broken. But there is a way to avoid it. Take a look at Smart Halo, a new device from Cycle Labs company. The device, as simple as it is ingenious, lets you follow the directions of your navigator without distracting from the road. Smart Halo is mountable on any bicycle handle and shows the way with LED indicators. Just introduce the route into the coupled application and store your smartphone safely in your pocket, and don't think more about it. Other useful functions include a strong flashlight that turns on automatically when it gets dark and turns off when you reach your destination. Smart Halo also works as a fitness tracker, helping you reach your workout goals by bicycle. The anti-theft system is worth a separate mention. If somebody attempts to steal your parked bike, the gadget will go off as an alarm and immediately send a notification to your phone. When riding, it will also allow you to answer calls on your phone, so you don't miss important conversations and don't compromise your safety. The gadget costs about $156. Endurance El Cheapo, an amazing addition to your 3D printer or CDC machine. It allows you to engrave and cut a whole variety of materials. Until now, you could only do it with the help of expensive carbon dioxide or fiber lasers. Endurance is here to help solve this problem. This device will provide your 3D printer or CDC machine with powerful and effective laser cutting and engraving capabilities. This laser engraver is equipped with a laser diode with a working wavelength of 445 nanometers and nominal power of 2,100 milliwatts. This is enough to burn through acrylics, wood, plywood, and leather, and work for a long time without the need of additional cooling. Proper ray focusing provided an optimal spot size or 0.25 millimeters. Initial software installation and laser configuration won't take you more than an hour, and after that, switching between printing and cutting or engraving won't take more than a minute. The device doesn't consume a lot of power and thus doesn't need a separate power source. It can be connected to the power unit of your printer. Endurance El Cheapo is a good helper for professional artists as well as anyone who wants to decorate their laptop with a logo, add an original final touch to a work sample, or make an embossed design. And being able to work with leather makes the scope of your creative possibilities even wider. Antelope. Meet the world's first training suit that increases your workout effectiveness. Antelope is equipped with a muscle stimulation system that uses electrical impulses to enhance muscle work during exercises. The suit can be commanded from a small integrated control panel or from your smartphone through special application. The Antelope development team included sports scientists, fashion designers, IT specialists, and electrical engineers. The smart suit is suitable for any sports activity, helping you train better and reach your goals faster. GoTube. This is an interesting project for personal transport we discovered on the Kickstarter crowdfunding platform. The developers call GoTube the world's most portable electric scooter. The scooter is foldable, and when folded resembles a drawing tube case, measuring 27.6 inches in length and 12.8 pounds in weight. A 120-watt electric engine allows it to accelerate up to 10 miles per hour, while a 4 amp-hour battery holds for 7.45 miles of travel and takes just 2 hours to get fully charged. The electric scooter can carry up to 150 kilos of weight and endures inclines of up to 10 degrees. 2 speeds are available. Other details worth mentioning: an indicator on the handle, LED light for nighttime commuting, and carbon fiber sleek and minimalistic case. There's a USB port to charge your mobile devices as well. The scooter costs $300. Hallam Smart Jacket. Innovators from Hallam, a New York company, have invented a smart jacket that will for sure become an irreplaceable item in the wardrobe of any smartphone-addicted city dweller. A number of elements together perform 29 different functions. For example, this jacket will charge your phone and alarm you if it gets lost. Ventilation zippers become handy if you want to jog a bit, and a sun visor will provide shade for a quick nap. There are 5 styles available: hoodie, sweatshirt, varsity jacket, padded vest, and wool jacket. Additionally, placing an order on Kickstarter, you can add LED flickers that fit most styles, to be more visible at night, an anti-theft keyring for your valuables, a selfie tripod, and a cap that has most of the functionality of the other wearables. The smart clothes will be on sale for $199 to $499, depending on functionality. August. August is a smart lock for the entrance door that you can lock or unlock from your smartphone. The lock is completely autonomous and works even when the power goes out in the entire house. 4 integrated batteries allow uninterrupted work for 6 to 12 months, depending on how hard you use it. And in case something happens to the electric part of the lock, you can always unlock it with a regular key, which is included in the set. The main feature of the lock is that you can train it to react not just to your smartphone, but to those of your trusted people. Settings are quite flexible and can be customized from a separate application for smartphone or computer. Synchronization of the lock with your smartphone allows you to get push notifications with the name of the person who entered your home using the program. Similar notifications will come if the door has been unlocked with a key. The lock can be coupled with iPhone, iPad, and Android devices with Bluetooth 4.0. The locks will be available in 4 color options: silver, bronze, black, and red, and cost $199. Flexor. This gadget reacts to minute muscle contractions and processes them as smartphone commands. The device is, in essence, a sensor that sticks to your muscles, detecting contraction and relaxation and transferring this data to the mobile application. Initially, this device was created for physiotherapeutic use in muscle rehabilitation and was supplied with the Endless Tower, where you had to jump over holes and avoid traps by contracting your muscles. But the game ended up being so much fun that it became very easy to forget you were actually doing rehabilitation. Due to its open code and support for many different games, it soon became a comparable rival to Wii Fit and Xbox Kinect. The device is compact, connects via Bluetooth, and is compatible with iOS and Android devices. The battery capacity allows for 10 to 20 hours of continuous autonomous use. Have fun, play games, do fitness, and improve your health, all at once. Smart Duvet. Tell me you also wanted to teach your bed to make itself. Smart Duvet is here to make our dreams come true. The device is comprised by a flexible, inflatable structure placed between the duvet and the duvet cover, and a compressor that fills it with air according to the schedule, so your bed is made at the hour you choose. The developers promise the net to be almost unnoticeable in the non-inflated state, especially if your duvet is filled with feathers or other fluffy material. Put the net between the duvet and the duvet cover and connect it to the compressor placed under your bed. Notice that it's powerful enough to inflate the inner structure enough to efficiently make even a bulky duvet lie flat, so your bed is perfectly made just at the time you want it. You can program the device by creating a weekly schedule through the mobile application. On working days, you might want your bed made earlier, and on weekends to stay in bed until a bit later. The original Smart Duvet is available for pre-order for $269 single bed and $279 double bed. Skunk Lock. This lock doesn't look too different from the most common U-locks you see every day, but appearances can be deceiving. The carbon fiber frame of the lock hides cameras with noxious gas inside. When the structure of the lock is broken, the potential bike thief gets a portion of neutralizing, vomit-inducing stinking gas right to the face. The lock hasn't been tested in the field yet, but the developer, as an honest person, tested it on himself and a few volunteers. All of them were impressed by the result. The smell is truly disgusting, and the first reaction is to run as fast and as far as you can. The gas doesn't bother anyone except for the intruder, but can attract attention of random strangers to something wrong happening around your bike, which is good. The lock costs $99.